Clean vehicle history, 1 owner, 220 amp alternator, 40/20/40 split bench seat, bifunction black projector headlamp, black mic exterior mirrors, black premium tail lamp, body color door handles, body color grille with ram, cold weather group, engine block heater, folding flat load floor storage, front armrest with cup holders, front center seat cushion storage, heavy duty snow plow prep group, high back seats, Highline door trim panel, instrument panel premium bezel, leather trim sport front bench seat, painted front bumper, painted rear bumper, powerfold black trailer tow mirror with memory, power lumbar adjust, protection group, quick order package 2 FAH Laramie, rear 60/40 split folding seat, sport appearance group, storage tray, ventilated front seats, winter front grille. Cover.brbrOdometer is 34,332 miles below market average.